Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Close CRM, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Close CRM, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Close CRM website. Locate the Sign Up button, usually found in the top right corner of the homepage. Click the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password that meets the specified requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. Next, provide your first and last name in the appropriate fields. Select your company name or enter a new one if you are starting fresh. Choose your preferred usage type or plan from the available options. Read through the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms and continue. If there is an option for a free trial, consider selecting that to start. After filling out all required fields, click the Create Account or Sign Up button to proceed. You may receive a confirmation email in your inbox shortly after. Go to your email and open the confirmation message. Click the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once you are redirected, you can now log in using your credentials. Complete any additional setup steps as prompted, such as entering your business information. Finally, familiarize yourself with the Close CRM dashboard to start using the platform effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.